At Westmor Industries, we are pipeline to pump. Westmor is uniquely positioned to serve multiple segments of the energy supply chain. We are able to offer a wide range of solutions to our customers, including things such as terminal modification and maintenance, bulk transportation, bulk storage, retail delivery, aviation, convenience store installation service, and even construction management. 48 years of industry-leading experience coupled with our in-house manufacturing give us the ability to customize solutions for our customers and ensure that they get exactly what they need to be successful running their own businesses. One of the great values that Westmor provides happens after the signature. Our depot and field service technicians are highly skilled, and they ensure that our customers continue to get the level of service that they deserve long after the sale is complete. This includes troubleshooting, part sales, compliance, repair and maintenance. From terminals to end users, Westmor offers a complete set of solutions from a single source. Here at Westmor Industries, we truly are pipeline to pump.